Hello everyone. Today I'm going to speak about India. India is a land of culture. India has a wonderful land. India is the country in Asia. India's capital city is New Delhi. It has 29 states and at present 8 union territories. India will follow democracy system in which people are voted for electing prime minister, chief minister, MP and MLAs. India has a tricolor flag: saffron, white, green. At the middle of the white column, there is Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. Why did the name came as Ashoka Chakra? Because King Ashoka was a very wise king once upon a time. Once he placed a war, and in that war he won that war. At the same time, a old grandmother was lying and asking for water. At that time, Ashoka gave her water, but the grandmother, seeing Ashoka's face, didn't receive his water. She said, "You're the one who killed all these lives." After that, King Ashoka realized his mistake, and from that time he was helping everybody who are in need. He was helping poor people, farmers, everybody. So his throughout life spent in helping and giving alms to the beggars. So from that time, for the Indian Chakra came as name as Ashoka Chakra. This was the story behind Ashoka Chakra. And in flag, the tricolor represents sacrifice, truth, fertility. Yeah, sacrifice, truth, fertility, this will be always in our country. So our flag also consists same. As soldiers sacrifice their lives for the people who are living in India. Truth, they will be saying truth. Fertility, in our India there is forests, there are so many forests, so greenery, fertility. So all this consists in India our flag has many and in our names country called by religious people: Bharat, like that, etc., etc. India was the land of truth, belief, helping, friendship, but now these qualities are not there in India. India is the second highly populated country in the world, and India's population is 1,352,617,328. At 1600 AD, Britishers came to our land. They came to sell the trade, but they capture our land and they become a owner, ruler of our India. To send away Britishers from our land, our people fought so hardly, and many of the people sacrificed their lives. There are so many freedom fighters in our land who have sacrificed their life. Finally, we got independence on 15th August 1947. We will celebrate as independence on every year. And there are so many beautiful monuments in India. Taj Mahal, which is the one of the wonder in 8 wonders of the world. Qutub Minar, which is the largest building, and Gol Gumbaz, it is the second highest dome in the world. First dome is in Rome, and second largest dome is in Karnataka state, Bijapur district. Now it is Vijayapur. Architecture of the Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. By Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, we are following all the rules and regulations in the Constitution of India. As we celebrate every year Republic Day, Mahabharata and Ramayana are the two epics. God has taught what are the things we must do and what are the things we must cultivate in our life. What are the things we must not do. Our Indian constitution is the lengthiest constitution in the world. Indian national symbols are Indian national emblem, four-headed lion, Indian national animal, tiger, national game, hockey, national currency, rupee, national anthem, Janaganamana, national song, Vande Mataram, national tree, banyan tree, national fruit, mango, national flower, lotus. Our India's motto is Satyameva Jayate. National aquatic animal, dolphin. National reptile, king cobra. National heritage animal, Indian elephant. National language, Hindi. India is a peninsula with one land and three sides water. Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. India's sub-countries are China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal. This is India. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Share this video in Facebook, Twitter, and all your friends, Instagram, all your friends. Thank you. Thank you so much.